Hi everybody! This is Kitty and the Beast and my name is Nika. Today we're going to try to make diamond-shaped floral earrings. I chose green polymer clay as a base for my earrings, but you can choose any color you wish. I've already prepared mine, so now our task is to divide it to two approximately equal pieces. And here is a little trick for you. Baking paper is half transparent, so you will see all the lines very well through it, and it will help us in measuring our future earrings. First of all, we prepare a flat base, and then we choose the size we want and we cut it out. After that, we clear the edges and make them smooth. You also can adjust the shape a little bit if you need to, but I didn't. I'm pretty sure that it's important to put the hooks in right now, because if we do that after the job is done, we risk to ruin the whole piece of it or at least deform it somehow, and I want to avoid that. We repeat everything with the second piece of polymer clay. I want to make sure that it's flat, nice, even, and I also want to make sure that the thickness is the same as the previous piece, so I just compare that. Good. Cutting out. And now I'm marking the stems. I decided to make two of them on each earring, and I'm making them deeper later, but I want them to be symmetric, so I'm not in a hurry. And now is the time for the leaves. I decided that I wanted them grayish or silverish, so I just cut several pieces of gray polymer clay and prepare them. As I previously said, I'm correcting the lines. I'm making them deeper, smoother, and they will look nice this way. And then I'm starting to apply the leaves. I put them on the base in several places, symmetrical also, and I hope they will look nice this way. And then I'm fixing them with my instruments. You can see that it also adds some texture to them, so they look like real leaves, and then I will correct that even more. Can you guess what this white piece of polymer clay is for? I decided to add something glowing and nice to my earrings. Probably it will also add some nice atmosphere and maybe some magic to it. I hope so. I just put those white round dots on the base, and then I will press them with another instrument. You can see how they become transparent at once. They look like fireflies or magical dust, don't you think? Tiny yellow sticks will be the center of the flower. I attach them to the end of every branch. This little trick will both add the texture to them and also will keep them in place. Now we go for the petals. First flower will be yellow and pink. I roll small balls of every color and then I place them. You can see how. I used the same method here to add the texture and to press them to the base. I chose the red color for the second flower. Would you choose a different one? I make them the same way as previous ones, rolling the balls, placing them on a base and then pressing them, adding some texture. And inner layer is yellow as well. Some minor corrections and the earrings are almost ready. I only need to harden them. When they are ready, I use Fimo glass varnish to finish them. Toothpicks help me a lot. They let me keep the earrings in place while I brush them, and also I can reach all the surfaces with this brush. Cool, isn't it? When the piece is completely covered with varnish, I place it into the candle to let it dry. There is also one more thing I usually do. I use epoxy glue to make sure that the screw holds really strong in the earrings or keychains or whatever. And I take the screw out, put in some glue, not too much though. We don't want it to be visible. We only want it to hold the screw inside. And then we put the screw carefully back into its place. And then we let it dry. And when the glue is dried, we attach them to the hooks and our earrings are completely ready. Thank you for watching. If you have any ideas what should I do next, or if you have some suggestions, I would gladly hear them out. Also, you can support me any way you can. And see you next time. Bye bye!